Hello, today we'll be walking you through our inbox feature. If you send mass messages or run automated campaigns from your account, any response from contacts will be delivered to your account's inbox. This inbox allows you to directly reply to each contact's response, creating a personalized one-to-one message. To access your inbox, simply click on the inbox option in the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the menu bar. Within the inbox section, you will see messages from each contact who has sent you an inbound message. To respond to a specific message, select it and a pop-out screen will appear, allowing you to reply as a regular SMS or MMS. You can also choose to export, move to a specific folder, or delete all messages by selecting the relevant option for all inbox messages. Additionally, the inbox allows you to initiate a one-to-one conversation by messaging an individual number from your inbox using the Create Conversations feature. In the inbox settings, you can add a phone number or email address to receive notifications whenever you receive a new message in your inbox. This serves as an alert system, allowing you to quickly respond to any inbound messages that you receive by logging into your account. You can choose how long you want to retain messages in your trash bin. The available options include 1, 7, 14, 30, 60, or 90 days. And that's all for our inbox feature. I hope you enjoyed our video and have a great day.